Hi, I'm Inez Simpson, and we're going to be talking to you. This is Kaz Riley, and she's here to talk about sex. So, Kaz, how about it?
Well, everybody knows I talk about sex all the time. I have no fear of talking about sex and sexuality. And I really want all your SPers to not have any fear about talking about that or working with that too. So we've got a seminar coming up, haven't we, Inez?
Yeah, it'll be really fun. We're going to have a seminar. We're going to answer questions. We're going to just do everything needed in that hour. Is it an hour?
Absolutely. Yeah, in that hour, the 11th of February. I'll let you post all the time zone times because I 6 p.m. UK
Yes, it'll
time.
be different everywhere. Yep, 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 yep.
Um,
I'll,
but
I'll get
uh,
Martin to do that.
but we're going to be in that seminar. We're going to be looking at really about why it's important to be working with sexuality. Just the vast amount of people, and according to research, up to 80% of people have a sexual dysfunction. And, sexuality in the adult human is a very fundamental part of being an adult. And if people have those issues, it will impact on lots of areas of their lives, especially things like self esteem, confidence, self worth, their relationships, their ability to connect, their ability to have children, even. So, although it's a taboo subject, we have to embrace the taboos, and SP is beautiful for sexual issues, because sometimes if you've got a client, for example, who is riddled with embarrassment, we can of course ask the questions non-verbally, and superconscious comes to our rescue and to the client's rescue. So this is, SP and sexual freedom dovetail perfectly, don't they? We've had great success with it.
Yeah. And
In
I
the few
think,
years now we've been running this program.
yeah, and I think the telepathic is a lot of it. A lot, it really enhances it.
Oh,
So,
absolutely. Yeah,
and so you can
absolutely.
make it for your client specifically when they're embarrassed or I had a guy phone me yesterday. He was embarrassed to even talk about anything. So, so it's so much easier. So
Absolutely.
So I think we're just going to tell you this. You get to ask questions, you get to come, you get to really enjoy this. And that'll be on February 11th.
February the 11th. And any questions that they've got in advance, they can send to
Yes,
you or
you
send
can
to
send it
me.
in. That's
And we
right.
will do our best to answer as much as we can in the time that we have.
Okay. Thanks very much. We'll see you next time.